Today we are going to see the next topic in the 6th class is plants, parts and their functions. Topic is plants, parts and their functions. Okay. What we know that plants. Plants are which type of things? Living things. In general, in environment there are two types of things. One is living thing. Second one is non-living things. Okay. And third one is natural things. Third one is natural things. Okay. Seema, what is the topic we are discussing here is plants, parts and their functions. Okay. In general, in environment there are three types of things. One is living things, second one is non-living things, third one is natural things. Okay. First one, what is meant by living thing? What is meant by living thing? The things which have life. The things which have life are called living things. Examples: plants, okay, animals, plants, animals, and human beings are the examples for the living things. Okay, second one, non-living things. What is meant by non-living thing? The things which have no life. The things which have no life are called non-living things. Okay. Example: pen, chair, bench, desk. Non-living things are also called as man-made things. Non-living things are also called as man-made things. Next, natural things. What is meant by natural things? The things which occur naturally. The things which occur naturally are called natural things. Example: rocks, rivers, lakes, water, hills, etc. All are occur naturally. So they are called natural things. Okay. See, again I am saying, what is meant by living thing? The things which have life. The things which have life are called living things. Example: plants, animals, human beings. Okay. Next, what is meant by non-living thing? The things which don't have life. The things which don't have life are called non-living things. Non-living things are also called as man-made things. Example: bench, chair, table, fan, wall clock, etc. The things which are in surrounding you are observed in the house, rocks, etc. are also made up by men. So they are all non-living things. Next, natural things. The things which occur naturally. Okay, they are called natural things. Okay. Next, coming into the topic again, living things are of three types. Okay. Number one, example: plants. Number two, animals. Number three, human beings. Okay. See, here plants are also living things. Animals are also living things. Human beings are also living things. Okay. Here in previous class we discussed about the animals. Which type of habits they have? What are the food habits? Okay. What they eat? How they will eat? How they will get their food? You know about human beings. Plants. Okay. Now we are getting into the lesson. Now we are going to see about the plants. Topic about plants. Okay. We know that plants are living things. So every living thing need what? Food for growing. Okay. For food, for growing. So here plants can prepare their own food. Plants can prepare their own food by using photosynthesis process. By using photosynthesis. By using photosynthesis. Okay. What is meant by photosynthesis? What is meant by photosynthesis? The preparing of food by using air, water and sunlight. By using air, water and sunlight, the plants prepare their own food. The plants prepare their own food by using photosynthesis process. What is meant by photosynthesis means the preparation of food by using air, water and sunlight. Air, water and sunlight. Generally we will see the plants all are in green color. Why they are in green in color? Because due to the presence of chlorophyll pigment. Due to the presence of chlorophyll pigment. Okay. Generally we can see almost all plants are in green color. Okay. Why they are green in color? Due to the presence of a chlorophyll pigment. The chlorophyll pigment is present in the leaves. So they all are in green color. Generally we can see there are non-green plants also. Okay. Example, mushrooms and molds. Mushrooms and molds. Mushrooms and molds. These both mushrooms and molds are in white color. They cannot prepare their own food. Okay. They cannot prepare their own food. They eat dead and rotten matter. They eat dead and rotten matter. Okay. Types of plants there. One is flowering plant. One is flowering plants. Second one is non-flowering plants. Okay. What is meant by flowering plants and what is meant by non-flowering plants? The plants which give us flowers. The plants which give us flowers are called flowering plants. Example we can see, for every tree we can get a flower before getting into a fruit. Okay. See, suppose if you say a pomegranate or brinjal or cucumber or papaya, anything, first we will get a flower. Okay. Flower is converted into a bud. Bud is converted into a fruit. Okay. In that fruit the seeds are developed. But okay, in non-flowering plants they have no flowers. Okay. Only we are using for them show purpose. For example, flowering plants. Okay. We can see papaya, apple, banana, etc. All these are examples for flowering plants. Okay. The plants which give us flowers are called flowering plants. Next, non-flowering plants. The plants which do not give us flowers. The plants which does not give us flowers are called non-flowering plants. Example, cactus, okay, grass, etc. Example for non-flowering plants. Okay, or example for non-flowering plants. Subcategory. One, herbs. Second one, shrubs. Okay, herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, runners and trees. Okay, see. Plants are divided into 4 or 5 categories. Sorry, 6. Herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, runners and trees. First, herbs. See, they are very short and they have very thin stem. Okay, soft and thin stem are examples for herbs. Okay, now the plants which have soft stem. Okay, which have soft stem are called the plants which have soft and greeny stem are called herbs. Example, tomato, paddy. Tomato, paddy. Paddy are example for herbs. Next one, shrubs. What is meant by shrubs? They are also having longer than herbs. Okay, they are much longer than herbs. Okay, example for them is woody plants like, okay, jasmine, mint, okay, jasmine, mint are example for shrubs. Next, creepers. Generally we can see some of the plants will grow in ground, okay, like watermelon, cucumber, etc. They are also having soft and green stem, but by giving support also they cannot hold on the trees. They cannot hold up the trees. Why? Because they have the fruits very large. They cannot hold their weight. So such type are called creepers. Such type of plants are called creepers. Next, climbers. Climbers means if you give a support, they are also having a soft and green stem. They are also having a soft and green stem. Okay, if you give a support, they will grow straightly. Example, grapes, okay, jasmine, green pea, etc. are examples for climbers. Next, runners. What is meant by runner? If you say example a grass plant, if it is grow started here, it will move around the room and it also grew their roots everywhere. Okay, such type are example for runners. Next, trees. What is meant by a tree? A green plant, short and a grown up plant is called a tree. It has a long wood. Okay, are examples for trees. Example, mango tree, neem tree. Example, mango and neem. Okay, example for creepers are watermelon, okay, cucumber. Climbers, grape tree, okay, peas, etc. Runners, grass are examples for this. Okay.